This video is all about Pet Kingdom. Once again, this is Mr. G and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Pet Kingdom usually offers complete pet facilities. They have pet shop, cat and dog grooming, cat and dog hotel, dog park, and pool. This is absolutely an amazing place to spoil or pamper your beloved pets. To tell you honestly, when you need to leave home for a few days, you want your pet to have the best care possible when you are away. So one solution is to leave your pet to a pet hotel or pet shop that accepts care. This video contains footages of Pet Kingdom store and dog training facilities. If you are looking for a dog training center and fond of purchasing pet grooming items, then this video is for you. Let's go guys, I'll tour you around Pet Kingdom. Before we go farther, I'd like to point out that Pet Kingdom has this popular motto: pet pampering fit for a king.
Ragnar. 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 Bakit mo yung garit sa target? Bakit yung bola din? Tara lang.
While you are having a tour in the Pet Kingdom, I want to share some tips tending your pets to animal care
Ragnar.
centers.
Ragnar. Come here. Come on, come on. Up. Ragnar.
First on the list, make sure your pet is in good health when you leave it. If the animal is sick, notify the pet shop about the disease it has.
Ragnar. Come here, Ragnar.
Second, give as much detail as possible about pets. For instance, daily food, allergies, to special care.
Ang daming shampoo dito, no?
Third, provide information about the vaccinations that pets have done. Fourth, provide an active contact number so you can be contacted immediately if something happens to your pet.
Ay, ito yung training. Ragnar! Kilala siya? So, yan.
There are many health benefits of owning a pet. They can increase opportunities to exercise, get outside, and socialize. Regular walking or playing with pets can decrease blood pressure, cholesterol
Regular.
level, and triglyceride levels. Pets can help manage loneliness and depression by giving us companionship.
Daming mabibili
However,
dito, no?
pets can sometimes
Kompleto yata
carry
sila dito, no?
harmful germs that can make us sick, even when the pet appears healthy. Here are some tips to help you and your family stay healthy while enjoying your pets. Number 1. Pick the right pet. Before adopting a new pet, make sure that it is the right one for you and your family. Do some research beforehand about the specific needs of the animals. Second, stay healthy around pets. Whether you're playing with, feeding, or cleaning up after your pet, it is important to wash your hands to help reduce the risk of getting sick from germs pets can carry.
Wala ka na dito.
Third, keep your pet healthy. Provide your pet with a good diet, fresh water, clean bedding, and plenty of exercise. Fourth, practice good pet hygiene. Disinfect pet habitats and supplies. Keep pets and their supplies out of the kitchen. Fifth, teach children how to interact with animals. Pets can teach children compassion and responsibility. Teach children to wash their hands right after playing with animals or anything in the animal's environment. So guys, bear those things in your mind. I hope you learned something from me. Enjoy touring around Pet Kingdom!
Ragnar. Ragnar. Ragnar.
Bakit naman yung ganito dyan? Bakit yung bola niya? Tara lang.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Have a blessed day, everyone.